In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Confluence admin settings safely. Before we begin, make sure you have administrative access to your Confluence site. The interface may look slightly different depending on whether you're using the cloud or a self-managed version, but the core flow is the same. Start by opening Confluence in your preferred browser. A modern, up-to-date browser will help the admin console load smoothly and display all options correctly. If you manage Confluence often, consider bookmarking your site's homepage so you can get to the admin area quickly in the future. Next, log in with an admin account. Only accounts with administrator permissions can open and change site-level settings, so if you don't see the options shown here later, it usually means you need elevated access. Keep your credentials secure, and if available, use multi-factor authentication to protect your environment. Once you're in, look for the settings or gear icon. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking that icon opens the doorway to the administration console. If the gear isn't visible, you may be on a page that hides it, or your account might not have the right permissions. From the menu, choose Confluence Administration or Admin Settings. This takes you to the central hub where configuration is managed. Take a moment to scan the layout so you know where key categories live. This helps you avoid clicking into the wrong area. Now open the section you need. Common areas include users, apps, permissions, and templates. Users is where you view people and groups and adjust group membership. Apps is for installing, updating, or configuring marketplace apps. Always review vendor information and scopes before enabling anything new. Permissions is where you define who can do what, both globally and across spaces, and it's crucial for maintaining least privilege access. Templates lets you create or refine page templates so your teams produce consistent, on-brand content. Make the needed admin changes carefully. Small tweaks can have broad impact, especially with permissions and apps. Before confirming, double-check the scope of your change, verify the affected groups or spaces, and add clear descriptions or notes where available so future admins understand why a setting was adjusted. When editing templates, consider cloning an existing one first so you have a safe fallback. Finally, save your changes before leaving the console. Look for buttons labeled Save, Update, or Apply, and wait for a confirmation message or success banner. Some settings apply immediately, others may take a moment to propagate, so a quick refresh can help verify everything looks right. That's it. You've accessed the admin console, navigated to the right area, made careful adjustments, and saved them properly. Thanks for watching, and happy administering.